What is going on, guys? It's Wade with 129 Touge, and today we have a special video. We have the Honda Fit budget build going on. Got the Miata, the Supra, got a BRZ peeking around back there. But we got some wheels and tires put on the Honda Fit, so stay tuned. So the Fit right now, pretty much just got some donuts all the way around on it. But this man's running on some kind of like Eco 400 treadwear Bridgestone sidewall machine up on the Touge, but he's about to get a quick upgrade with some conics. So Landry's got some conics for the Fit, and tell me a little bit about them. What you got?
They are 16x8s in the gloss bronze with a plus 35 offset.
They look pretty good, especially with the 200 treadwear tire on there. We're running some RT
660s.
RT 660s. So yeah, sticky tire, really a successor to the RE71R. Look at the size difference in this, from a 205 to a 145? Is that what it says on it?
175.
175. Look at that. This is massive. It makes this 205 look like a freaking giant. Got the pup back here too in the background. Say hello. We're gonna call him Snug. His new name is Snug. Little Tony dog. Say Snug. So we mentioned this in the last video. The cool thing about these cars is how accessible they are to everybody. These cars can really just go from like a 4K to a 9K range to get a used one. And they're very capable cars. Front-wheel drive, 5-speed car, really good wheelbase up on sharp corners and just exiting corners really, really well. I know a lot of people are wanting Miatas or even say BRZs back there, but the Miata and the Fit is a good category to compare just due to the fact that Miatas are starting to get a little harder to get, and for something that's decently clean, you have to pay like $6K for it that's not been molested too much. Which brings you to this: you get good fuel mileage, you can daily it, and take it up on the Touge and have a good time. So here's the Honda Fit. We tried to do a video following this car with the sway bar that's down here. Sadly though, I recorded the video in 4K and ended up trying to do a time lapse with it, so the video ended up getting corrupted very, very fast, and it's just taking way too long to edit. Also on the inside, we've added some stainless steel brake lines to it, rebled all the brakes, and put some HPSs in the front just to give it a little bit more of a daily motive, but a good mountain performance stopping power. But no suspension work yet. That will be soon come, and I think some camber bolts also. The last one right here. Finally done.
But you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do.
freaking meat, man.
Yeah. Compared to the 175s that was on it?
Yeah, that's meaty. For sure. Definitely needs some ride height adjustment though. A little bit of a gap. Not too bad.
Oh, yeah, sure. A little bit of a gap.
A little, okay. Maybe just a little bit more than a little bit of a gap. But still looks good. Alright. Here we go, the maiden voyage with the new shoes on. So comparing the dynamics of how the original wheels were with the tire setup to these, like how would you say your turn-in is now? Would you say it's more aggressive or a little bit more play in the wheel? Like, what do you feel?
More aggressive turn-in.
More aggressive turn-in? Especially definitely planted, yeah. It feels good. It feels really good. It's so smooth. If you guys enjoyed the video, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more videos on the fit itself, let me know down in the comments. Be sure to grab one of your shirts back there that like what Couch is wearing. Shop is now up and available at 129touge.com. Guys, go check it out. Thank you for watching, and as always, keep hitting the bass.